Alright, this is Manta at SeaWorld Abu Dhabi. This is an intimate, multi-launch roller coaster. And just look at this coaster design. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the fish ahead of us. This is a pretty fun roller coaster. I've already been on it a few times, and I've enjoyed it every single time. Alright, here we go. Oh, look at that. Those fishes. This is incredible theming. What? This is my first time ever in the front row. I've done the back and the middle. First time in the front. Look at this. This is gorgeous. The screen's about to open up and we're gonna launch outside. Alright, here we go. Head back.
Whoa! Oh, yes! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Oh, another launch! Whoa! Oh! Oh, wow! Oh! Oh, yeah! Oh! The last launch! Whoa! Oh! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Woo! Oh, yes! Oh! Woo!
And that was Manta. SeaWorld Abu Dhabi. It's mostly an indoor park. This coaster does go outside. It kind of needs to with how much space it takes up, but this is absolutely phenomenal. Oh, such a great coaster. I think this will make it in my top 25. It's phenomenal. And all those near-miss elements, my gosh. I need more coasters with near-miss elements like that. And theming like this. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, I wish